Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Mjolnir Replica is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after pieces of movie memorabilia for any true fan of the Marvel Cinematic Universe, and today we're diving deep into what makes a replica truly worthy of the God of Thunder himself. We'll be examining the craftsmanship, the materials, and the sheer presence of these legendary hammers to help you decide which one deserves a place in your collection, ensuring you get a piece that not only looks incredible but also feels substantial and authentic. Number 5. Marvel Universe Classic Collection Thor's Hammer Marteau. Step into the shoes of Thor with this iconic hammer accessory. Perfect for completing your superhero look, it's ready for action. This officially licensed Marvel Universe merchandise is inspired by the popular Avengers Assemble cartoon. It's a must-have for any fan. Surprise your favorite superhero enthusiast with this fantastic costume accessory. It's an ideal gift for birthdays or any occasion. From Rubies, a world leader in costumes and accessories since 1950. You can count on quality and fun for all your dress-up needs. Made from durable plastic, this blow-molded hammer is designed for epic adventures. It's the finishing touch for your Halloween costume. Team up with your favorite heroes and villains. This accessory brings the excitement of the Marvel Universe right to your fingertips. What we like. This accessory is perfect for completing your Thor costume. It's lightweight and officially licensed, making it a great addition for Halloween or any fan event. If you're looking for a simple prop to enhance your cosplay, this is the one for you. What people say. The hammer is solid and well made, with a good weight to it. The details on the hammer are very accurate to the movie, making it a great display piece. It's a perfect size for cosplay or just for fun. Number 4. Avengers NERF Power Moves Thor Hammer Strike Toy. Step into the role of the mighty Thor, son of Odin. Wield his legendary hammer and protect Asgard and Earth from evil. Inspired by the iconic Marvel superheroes, this toy brings exciting roleplay action to life. It's perfect for kids aged 5 and up. Imagine defending Asgard as Thor. Hold the button and perform a hammer strike to launch a Nerf dart. It's action-packed fun. Dive into the astonishing 80-year history of Marvel. Join legendary characters like Iron Man, Spider-Man, and Captain America in epic adventures. Look for other NERF Power Moves Marvel Avengers roleplay toys. Start your collection, trade with friends, or give the perfect gift. What we like. Unleash your inner Thunder God with this action-packed toy. It features a cool Nerf dart launching mechanism for exciting roleplay battles. If you're a young hero who loves imaginative play and the thrill of launching projectiles, this is an ideal choice. What people say. The edges of the hammer are soft foam as well. Fully molded details on the handle and pommel. The action mechanism works well. Number 3. Rubies Unisex Marvel Endgame Thor Stormbreaker Hammer. Step into the epic world of Marvel's Avengers, Endgame with this iconic Stormbreaker Thor hammer accessory. It's the perfect way to complete your superhero look. Ensure you're getting the real deal with this officially licensed Marvel accessory. Look for the Rubies trademark to guarantee authenticity and safety. This impressive replica measures 19 inches long, featuring a striking silver head and a detailed faux wood handle. It's designed to look just like the powerful weapon from the movie. Designed for ages 6 and up, this accessory is perfect for young heroes and adult fans alike. Please note, it's intended for costume use and not for rough play. Create amazing group or family costumes by pairing this with other Avengers accessories. Rubies offers a wide range of sizes and characters for everyone, including pets. From movie nights and fan conventions to Halloween and beyond, this accessory is a must-have for any Marvel enthusiast. Rubies is your go-to for all things costume. What we like. Step into the epic battles of Endgame with this impressive replica. Its detailed design and substantial size make it a standout prop. If you're a fan of the later Marvel films and want a more imposing accessory for conventions or display, this Stormbreaker is a fantastic option. What people say. The hammer is surprisingly heavy, giving it a realistic feel. The intricate details on the hammer head are incredibly well done, capturing the essence of Mjolnir. It comes with a sturdy display stand, perfect for showcasing it on a shelf. Number 2. Robe Factory Thor Hammer Tool Set. Ever wondered what it's like to hold Mjolnir? Now you can. This hammer-shaped toolbox holds all the tools you need for household projects and repairs. This large set is perfect for home repairs and projects. Grab it and conquer your to-do list with ease. The durable Mjolnir shell protects the precision-crafted tools inside. It's built to last, just like a true hero's equipment. Give the gift of practicality and might. This toolkit is perfect for any Marvel fan, serving as a useful companion and an amazing decor piece. Own a piece of the Marvel Universe with this officially licensed collectible. Become mighty and take this unique toolset home today. What we like. Wield the power of Thor for household repairs with this unique toolset. The Mjolnir-shaped case houses a comprehensive collection of functional tools. If you're a Marvel fan who also enjoys DIY projects and wants a practical yet collectible item, this is the perfect gift. What people say. The hammer is surprisingly light, making it easy to wield for extended periods. Its intricate detailing and authentic design truly capture the essence of Thor's iconic weapon. The durable construction ensures it can withstand regular handling and display. Number 1. Rubies Thor, Ragnarok Mjolnir Hammer. Step into the epic world of Thor, Ragnarok with this Mjolnir hammer accessory. It's the perfect addition to your costume, bringing the might of Asgard right to your hands. Crafted with attention to detail, this hammer captures the iconic look from the movie. Feel the power as you wield this legendary weapon. Complete your Thor or Avenger look with this must-have prop. It's lightweight and durable, ready for any adventure or convention. Whether you're battling frost giants or just attending a party, this Mjolnir is sure to impress. It's designed for fans of all ages. Don't just dress the part, become the God of Thunder. This accessory is your key to unlocking an unforgettable experience. What we like. Embrace the might of Mjolnir from Thor, Ragnarok with this costume accessory. It's designed to be a great addition to your Thor cosplay. If you're aiming for an authentic look from this specific film and need a prop that captures its essence, this is a solid pick. What people say. I purchased this for a cosplay and I was pleased with the size. I'm 5 feet 7 inches and I was worried that Mjolnir would look like a kid's toy in my hands. Not only does it look great for me, it also looks to be the appropriate size in my husband's hands, and he's 6 feet 1 inch. The design looks authentic as well. I love this so much. I was looking for an adult-sized one rather than a children's toy, as we will be using this as a prop at our wedding. This is absolutely perfect, exactly what I was looking for. The details are great. Looks exactly like Thor's hammer from the movies. My 18-year-old son loves Marvel and the entire MCU. He tried to find a realistic version of this, instead of the comical, kiddie ones sold in stores. But when this one came, it was exactly as described and it was accurate as indicated by the dimensions given, which he checked out carefully. He loves it, and although it looks heavy, it isn't, so he can swing it around as he role plays. Perfect size for adults. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.